If you've logged into your GA4 account recently, you may notice that the admin section looks completely different to what it was previously. But don't be alarmed, in this video, I'm going to walk you through this new admin section so that you can find all the information that you need that was previously there before, but was just presented differently. So let's go do this right now. So here we are in our Google Analytics 4 account on one of my accounts. I've gone to the admin section here. And as you can see here, it looks completely different to what was there previously. Previously, there were those two panels, account and property, and now those panels are gone. And as you can see here, there are links to the various sections here. So this is probably obviously what is the account setting. So if I click on this, this is where we'll get the previous information of account details, access management, etc. And then these are the settings of the particular property. So if I click on property, you'll see this is related to that GA4 property. So you can kind of no longer navigate to your different properties through what was in that that column. You have to do so by clicking on the arrow here to navigate through, perhaps if you've got multiple properties. Okay. Data collection and modification. This is where you'll find your data stream, which is where obviously you can see if your data stream is working and gathering traffic. Data filters, maybe if you if you've set a filter to exclude any kind of external traffic. This data display, this is where you previously would have found like your events that you've set up. So maybe if you've created any specific events, and then obviously they've got the standard events that come default out of the box, as well as conversions, any events that you have then also set up as a conversion. Your audiences, where you define any audiences that you might want, and all these other kind of definitions as well. And this products link section here, this is where you're going to link to Google Ads or Google Search Console, etc. Like I've connected it to here. And so, yeah, so really a lot of the information and the settings are still the same. They've just been presented in a different way and grouped under various kind of like categories. So don't be alarmed when you log into your new admin section. All the information is still there, it's just presented differently. And if you like this video, don't forget, hit that thumbs icon and subscribe, and maybe you can check out my website, teachtraffic.com. Thanks for listening.